Hey guys, and in this video we're going to talk about chart templates in SPSS. A lot of people in the world of academia use SPSS to analyse the data, but when it comes to making figures, they don't use it because they're kind of notoriously bad for publication. However, that's a shame because you can make really nice graphs in SPSS, but it does take a lot of doing. So one way to make the process more efficient is to, when you've got a graph that looks good, to save a template of it to use it in the future. So that's what we're going to look at in this video. If we look at an example, I've got a chart that I've customised a lot to have a nice monochrome theme, nice error bars, a nice sensible scale in the axis, a nice legend. But then if we look at one down below, another clustered bar chart for another data set. This is the default you get out of SPSS, and this kind of grey background of border and just some not very nice stuff. So what if we wanted to save this what's in this chart as a template? So every time we make a clustered bar chart, we can just apply it. Now, something to be aware of with this is it's done on based on the type of chart it is. So if I saved the template of this, it's a clustered bar chart. So I then can't apply this template to a line graph, for example. So to make a template based on a graph, we just double click the graph, and that opens the chart editor. From there we go to File, Save Chart Template. It's then going to ask us what we want to save, and I usually click on all settings, and then I uncheck the text content thing, because that way it will still save the style of the axis labels, but it won't save the actual axis labels. So my thinking is you usually probably want the same style of labels, but you're probably not going to want exactly the same graph for different data. So now we're just going to continue, give it a name, and save it. Now I've got that saved as a template, so anytime I want to use it again, this is different data, but it's still a clustered bar chart, because the template I created applies to clustered bar charts. So I double click this and go File, Apply Chart Template, and select the chart. You can see we've still got appropriate, the original labels that are appropriate to that data, but it's just apply the nice styles we've got for a publication template. So that was just a quick guide as to how to use chart templates in SPSS. Hope you enjoyed.